What's up, everybody? Yo! Camping with my love of my life here in Dominguez, Escalante Canyon. We love this place. It's the potholes, but like we camp further up, so it's freaking really awesome. So I'm gonna let you see what my husband's doing. If I can get it to go, but I can't walk without a flashlight. Hold on.
Angela!
Hold on, it's gonna be dark for a minute. Dark out.
Who are you talking to?
It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh.
It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. Woo! Cactus! Already stung my hand on that cactus tonight in the dark. Woo! Isn't it crazy walking through the dark? Freaking with a flashlight in the mountains with rocks and everything that is in the mountains. Cactus. That's some crazy shit. Cactus. Boy, it's in survival mode, isn't it? There's my baby right there. Can you see the light? I can see the light!
Hey. Whoa!
Darren, back off.
You see that?
Yeah, you're high.
Huh?
Back off, baby, you're high.
I'm high.
Yeah, you're too high.
No, I'm not. Did you see how that rock was moving?
No, I didn't.
Tell me what I'm doing. I'm trying to show you something.
Well, I'm scared to get...
This big ass rock and it's moving like fucking 3 feet back and forth.
Hold on, I'm coming. I just have to... Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah, there's a better way right here. If you come up and around this way.
It's like weird working with the phone.
I know. Put your phone down.
Well, I'm recording a video.
Yeah, fuck the video.
It's gonna be fun.
Well, I know, but I'd rather have you be safe and enjoy what you're doing.
Baby, I'm completely enjoying what I'm doing. Crunch is showing me the way.
Is he?
Yeah, he's totally showing me the way.
There's a bubba right there, too.
My boys got me. Huh. All 3 of them. I got 3 boys. Okay, look, did you see I made it? Woo, I made it!
Okay, so look at that. Here.
Hold on, I'm coming. Slowly,
No,
but I'm
you
coming.
Can't come here because it's way too dangerous. I'm just going to tell you if you want to do a video.
Yeah, I'm doing a video right now. It's all on video, baby.
Take this big ass rock here. Look at that.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm moving.
Woo, it's dark!
Huh?
Oh, it totally is moving, huh?
Duh, look. I can make it touch. You seeing that?
That's crazy. Well, if you shine the light on me for a
Look at
second.
that.
I know, why is it doing that?
That's a huge whoa.
Babe, careful.
That's what I said, it's a huge fucking rock.
Careful.
Duh. That's why I put my drink down and I'm showing you.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know. You should.
I want to video record it, but you need to put the light on it. Put the light on me so I can see you do that.
Well, I'm more worried about myself not dying.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It's way crazy. I just wanted to show you. I didn't care about showing everybody else.
Yeah. No, I was just excited to make a video because,
No, yeah,
hey, what's up?
if
We're
I died,
camping.
if I died,
October.
yeah, would at least be. If I died, it would have been a real good video, you know.
No, that would have been the worst video ever. Hey, boys.
That was weird, huh? I've never.
Yeah, that was way weird. Like, that was way weird. That was a big ass rock.
Yeah.
I wish I could have got it on video.
I'm going down there.
Tomorrow?
I'm going to go down there and check it out on more.
So what's up, everybody? Camping. Camping! Woo! Loving it. What makes you happy? Camping makes me happy. And so I'm just going to say, have a great night because you can't see me anyways. Peace out, yo.